Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken mobile app. First, download the Kraken Pro app from your device's app store, available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, you can either create a new account or log in using your existing Kraken credentials. To unlock all trading features and higher limits, you will need to complete the identity verification process, which typically takes just a few minutes. This ensures a secure and compliant trading experience for everyone. Funding your Kraken account is straightforward. From the app's main screen, tap on the Funding tab. Here, you can select your preferred deposit method. Options typically include traditional bank transfers, which might take 1 to 5 business days, or depositing various cryptocurrencies, often processed within minutes. Always double-check the deposit address for crypto to ensure your funds arrive safely. Trading cryptocurrencies on the Kraken mobile app is designed to be intuitive. Head to the Trade section, where you can easily buy or sell over 200 different cryptocurrencies. You can place market orders for instant execution or limit orders to set your desired price. Always review your order details, including the amount and price, before confirming your transaction to ensure accuracy. Managing your portfolio and securing your account are crucial. The app provides a clear overview of your assets and their performance. For robust security, always enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. Regularly review your transaction history and adjust account settings as needed. Kraken offers various security features to help protect your investments, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.